Hey guys, it's Nate from Winter. I'm here today to show you an install video on our Common Sense steel blade systems. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into our installation. Before we go ahead and do that, I'd like you to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button so you can go ahead and get all the content that Winter Equipment has to offer you. Now before we install, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to deinstall. Part of the sizzle to the Common Sense system is how easy it is to go on. To show you how easy it is, the first thing we're going to show you is what a pain in the ass it is to take off this full-length steel blade. All right guys, let's go ahead and get into the installation of the Common Sense standard duty system. It's going to be a very simple order of operation. We're going to go ahead and hang the two steel blades first. Remember, 10-foot plow, two 5/8 by 6 by 5-foot steel blades here on that Common Sense standard duty system. We're then going to go ahead and hang that extender universal in the middle, and we're going to finish up with our extender cast guards on the end. So go ahead, sit back, enjoy the installation, and like always, if you got a better way of doing it, because I'm telling you how to do your job, I don't do this 9 to 5, please go ahead and put those comments down below in the comments section. There you have it, guys, the complete installation of a Common Sense standard duty system. Once again, what did we do? Two 5/8 by 6 5-foot steel blades, extender universal in the middle, casted CurbCasts extenders on the end. To learn more about this product and the rest of the stuff that Winter Equipment offers, go ahead and check us out at winterequipment.com or give us a phone call today at 800-2WINTER.